Hey, it's Matt from McGee Farms, and going to do a tutorial on spring maintenance, changing filters on the Kubota BX 2370. Should be the same for most of the BX series. Also, while we got the mower deck off, I'm going to take the blades off and sharpen them as well. So I'm going to do this in a couple different steps and probably break this into a couple different videos and link them all together. That way, you know, you can watch what you need for each one. The first one is just going to be taking the mower deck off, and we'll get right into it. As you can see, my tractor's a little bit on the dirty side. It's a little late in the year. It's just April. I was hoping to have this done before now, but work decided to send me out to the People's Republic of California for a couple of weeks. So I'm playing catch up right now. So we're going to come to the front first. And we have a little latch here that's going to have to come off. Now, before it can come off, there's a pin. You got to get under there and release this pin. I have to get a better angle to get this. When they've been sitting on for a little while, sometimes they're a little stiff to get started. So you're going to lock that pin in. Come over here. This should pull down. And you can go ahead and take both of these parts out of the way. This just comes off. This one as well is going to lift off. And we'll move them out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is come to both sides. And you got pins right here. And it's the same thing. The pins, sometimes it's better when it's up. Sometimes it's better when the deck's down. Oh. See if I can get to the other one. Sometimes I get a big screwdriver too and use it as a pry bar to kind of get them started when those pins set on. I mowed with it yesterday, so they're probably a little on the stiff side. And pretty sure these need to be down. Okay, so I paused the video for a second, got me a large screwdriver, and got the pin started. And so now it's slowly coming out. And I got to work its way out, but so there's the one. Go around to the other. And the same thing, if you have trouble getting it started, I'll work a little screwdriver in there. Need to, while these are off, I also need to kind of oil these up, so I don't have this problem, but you know, this only comes off a couple times a year, so. But you're gonna get these pins out. Now, once it's out, you're gonna start the tractor. You're gonna raise the deck, which won't raise the deck, but it'll raise the arms here and get them out of the way. And then we're gonna take off that PTO shaft. Okay, so now that I've got the deck arms raised, you can get in there pretty easy, and the PTO coupler, and it's real easy. You just grab onto it, pull it forward, and then just jiggle it, and it should come right off. One-handed, what do you know? Now that you've got that done, all you have to do is slide the deck out. And I pulled the tractor in the middle of the garage on purpose because this way I can pull it off to the side. Once I get it off, I can get under to work on it. And then I'm going to bring the other tractor that's got a lift on it and just pick up the deck with the lift, take them both, pressure wash them, get all the gunk off of them from the end of the year last year and from sitting all winter. Plus, as you can see, you know, if you have chickens, you probably get that on your tractor occasionally too. They like to perch up in the barn when they can. But we'll take the deck out, we'll clean it real good, lube it up good, and I'm gonna take the blades off and we'll go ahead and sharpen them, and I'll kind of show you that. It's a bit of a pain to get the blades off on these sometimes, but I found a couple of tricks that work good, and we'll be going over those. So now, getting the deck out, you're just gonna pull it towards you. You kind of rock it back and forth a little bit, but it will come out. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Again, it's Matt with McGee Farms. If you are enjoying the videos, please consider giving us a like, subscribing to our channel, maybe leaving a comment. It's all appreciated, and it helps the channel grow.